The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven is a great smart kitchen gadget to add to your cooking arsenal. Let's break it down, and welcome to our Shouldit toaster oven series. What's up everyone, I'm Alan, and in this episode of our Shouldit toaster oven series, we're going to be looking at the Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven model 140-4002-01. The oven features a clever design, smart programs, and all the necessary cooking functions and more. So let's cook a few dishes to see how good it can be. How we test. So, how can we ensure that our ratings and rankings are fair and accurate for all products? To answer that, we created a series of tests and applied them consistently to each model. 100% of the overall score for a toaster oven comprises three big categories, which are performance, 50% of it, design, 25%, and usability, 25%. For performance, we assess by toasting bread, baking pizza, roasting a whole chicken, and baking or air frying fries for air fryer toaster ovens. In design, we evaluate the exterior, interior, and build quality. Usability covers user control, ease of use, and cleanability. For the details on how we did the testing and rating for this series, you can look up How Should It Test Toaster Oven. Now, let's get to the review. Design. The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter is a large-size oven with a footprint of 16.5 inch by 16 by 14, which is different from the manufacturer's dimensions. Running on 1800 watts of power, it features a 33-inch 3-prong power cord, ample for household use. Priced at around $233 at the time of purchase, it includes a baking rack, air fryer basket, rotisserie kit, baking pan, slider crumb tray, and a 1-year warranty. We measured the cooking chamber at 24.6 liters, which differs from the manufacturer's 18 liters, possibly due to measurement methods. It fits a 12-inch pizza or 4-pound chicken, but struggles with 6 slices of toast or fitting a baking pan during rotisserie use. Its design includes tray-level indicators, a slider crumb tray, sturdy base stands, and air vents with a cool touch handle and rear buffers, though the buffers are too high for cold wrapping. 4 golden quartz heating elements and a nichrome broiler work with a reliable convection system. The oven's black LCD touchscreen displays cooking status, functions, and toggles for light, convection, and rotation. A single master control knob manages cooking functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, warm, preheat, toast, and dehydrate, as well as time and temperature adjustments. The rotation toggle makes use of the rotisserie kit for most functions, but be careful as the forks can bend slightly. The dehydrate function is effective for fruits, herbs, and proofing bread at 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven auto preheats and alerts you to turn food for even cooking. Beeps are loud but can be muted by holding the control knob for 5 seconds. Design 9.2 out of 10. Performance. Throughout the process, we found that level 2, 5 minutes and 25 seconds, gave the best results. Level 1 and 3 produced more uneven results with lighter and darker surface colors respectively. At toast level 2, the Instant produced 4 slices with 90% even golden brown color. Without the fan, there was some darker spots and lighter areas. The first batch was crispy yet soft inside. Our chef suggested it's great for omelets and eggs benedict, but not ideal for sandwiches or soup. Although the oven claims that its smart program adjusts cooking time for consistent results across multiple batches, the second batch became crispier and better suited for soup. To match the first batch, just lower the level by 1. Toasting bread, 7.5 out of 10. The Instant took just 3 minutes and 50 seconds to bake a 9-inch thick crust meat pizza at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, much faster than the 10 minutes recommended, earning it a perfect score. The crust, though golden brown, was a bit soft with some uneven spots. The strong convection made the surface slightly dry, and while the cheese melted well, caramelization was uneven. Nonetheless, the pizza tasted great overall. Baking pizza, 8.6 out of 10. For this test, our 3-pound chicken fit easily. However, cleanup was difficult as there wasn't enough space for a drip pan, and fast splashing during cooking caused the heating elements to smoke. The roasting time was a quick 15 minutes. The rotisserie kit and high convection produced perfectly crispy golden brown skin, though the skin lost its crispiness quickly due to the moist heat. With the added smooth rotation, the chicken cooked evenly with no pink spots, and the internal temperature was only slightly above the USDA recommendation. And while the meat was tender and almost fall off the bone, the excessive moisture softened the skin. So chef had to lower the score for taste. For roasted chicken, 8.4 out of 10. The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter proved to be the top contender in this test of air frying 12 ounces of frozen French fries. While 15 minutes was the ideal cooking time for fries in our test, it wasn't the fastest. Its powerful convection and air fry basket produced evenly golden fries. This also created perfectly crispy fries with just the right amount of moisture inside. Air frying fries, 9.3 out of 10. The overall score for our 4 performance tests is 8.2 out of 10. And by the way, if you're watching this review, I'm sure you care about temperature specs and prices of each product. So head over to website Shouldit.com where you can sign up and get all the information for free. It's also the best way to support us, so thank you. Usability. The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven offers more ease of use compared to simple models like the Cuisinart A60. The LCD display could have better contrast, but it's manageable. The master control knob might seem confusing initially, but it's easy to get the hang of. Temperature adjusts by 1 degrees Fahrenheit with slow turns or 10 degrees Fahrenheit with quick turns. The timer is set by the minute. You can change the time and temperature mid-cooking by tapping them on the screen and turning the knob. However, if you want to change function, you need to press cancel, which resets everything. The convection feature works for most functions except toast, with high and low fan speed options, which is rare. Air fry uses high convection while warm uses low. The oven remembers your settings, switching to keep warm after cooking until end displays. It shows off after inactivity, requiring a knob press to reactivate. It's advised to unplug after use to save energy. The interior light turns off after 30 seconds of inactivity and resumes briefly before cooking ends. Opening the door pauses cooking, but the light stays on momentarily. Though tricky at first, removing the rotisserie kit gets easier with practice. Cleaning can be challenging due to nooks and gaps, especially after roasting a chicken, as fat can splatter and stain the heating elements. However, the removable cum tray simplifies cleaning, and the air fry basket is surprisingly easy to clean despite its design. Usability, 7.1 out of 10. Verdict? The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven makes cooking easy with its status bar, automatic reminders, and an app with instructional recipes. It's ideal for those who prioritize convenience, smart technology, and efficiency at a good price. In our test, it proved to be the best for air frying. Along with the air fry basket, it includes a rotisserie kit offering a wide range of cooking options. The well-designed accessories fit perfectly, reducing hassle and safety risks. However, in enhancing convenience, it has a few minor tech-related shortcomings. Overall score, 8.5 out of 10. And there you have it, our review of the Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven model 140-4002-01. If you're interested in the oven, there's an Amazon link in the description below. For the choices, you can look up our Shouldit toaster oven series. If you enjoyed the video, please comment and consider like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Any support from you is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching Shouldit, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!